Hi, this is M. Prasad Naidu. Today we are discussing about the biosensor. First of all, this biosensor is an analytic device that for detection of any analyte company combines of biological compounds with the physiochemical detectors. A biosensor is a device that detects the records of transmit the information regarding a physiological changes or the presence of various chemical or biological materials in the environment. More technically, a biosensor probe that integrates the biological compounds such as whole bacterium or biological products, those are enzymes or antibodies. With the electron components yields measurable signal. Biosensor which come in the large variety of sizes or shapes are used in the monitor changes in the environmental condition. They can detect and measure the concentration of specific bacteria or hazardous chemicals. They can measure the acidity level. In the short, biosensor can use like the bacteria and detect them too. The sensitivity of biological elements, biological materials, tissue, microorganisms, organelles and cell receptors, enzymes, antibodies, nucleotides, biological derived materials that interact with the binds or recognize or analytics the condition study. The biological sensitivity elements can be also created to biological enzyme. The transducer or the detector elements works in the physiological like a psychological chemical way, optical and vibrator and electrochemical it is that transform the signal resulting from the interaction of analyzed with the biological element into the signal. Transducer that can be more easily measured the quantified here. So biosensor is that reader that device with the associated electronics like a signal process is permeable responsible for the display of results. This sometimes accounts for the most expensive part of the sensor device. The radars are usually custom designed and manufactured to suit the different working of principles of biosensors. Actually, we're talking about the first generation, second generation, and third generation. Coming to the first generation, there are two components like biocatalytic transducer and may be easily separated by the both may remain function in the absence of the other. Coming to second generation, the two components interact with the more intimate like fashion. Removal of one of the two components affects the usually functioning of other. Coming to the third generation, the biochemistry and where the electric chemistry occurs with the semiconductor, the term biochip may be applied to describe such instruments. First of all, coming to the first generation, this first generation is the instruments glucose plus oxygen plus gluconic acid plus H2O like hydrogen peroxide guys. The rate of consumption of the substrate of oxygen can be measured by like it is a reduction at a platinum cathode. The rate of productions of product hydrogen peroxide can be measured by its oxidation like at platinum anode. The rate of production the product gluconic acid can be measured using the pH electrodes. These models will be second generation is instruments that second generation instruments can be like constructed by the designing an electrode surface that capable of capturing electron which are usually transferred in the oxidation of reduction reactions. Glucose plus some facts and these are the things and second generation these alcoholic analytics and these are the text. Second generation we'll discuss about the second generation that's it. Then third generation is the instruments. The instruments involves the most intimate interaction with the biocatalyst and transducer. With a glucose sensor operating and principal access like teaches like a matter, but which the enzyme was directly reduced at electrode surface. Obtaining need for a mediator is an example for such an instrument. Cell-based biosensor, immobilized whole cells or tissues are used to produce biosensor. More recent immobilizations like techniques have been intended to use the gentler and physiological methods such that cells variability are retained. The advantage of these such cells may be involved in the converting of substrate into the product via the complex multi-enzyme pathway. without having the to impossible each of the enzymes, then provide them with an expensive coenzymes. So how this example like nocardia and erythropoiesis immobilizations of polyacrylate on an oxygen electrodes. So then cholesterol to cholesterol, these are the some reactions. Cholesterol oxidase here is required. The electrolyte like some erythropoiesis, this the exams of electrodes measures the rate of oxygen uptake. This can be related to the cholesterol content biological sample. So what are the advantages and what are the coming to what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? Advantages is the cheaper, no requirements, complex biocatalyst, and they have longer response to times to do the based on biosensor. Coming to disadvantages is cell content maybe enzymes to be taken enzyme selectivity response, and time taking is cell based biosensor. The base line potential after the use of is more, I think. Some enzyme immunosensors, coming to the immunosensor. These several kinds of enzyme immunosensor have developed their combine the molecules, recognize the properties of antibodies with the high sensitivity of enzymes based on analytical method. The enzyme is used to markers of it react with the substrate giving cheap any changes that can be detected in the transducer. There is a similarity to between the such methods are called as ELISA, that means enzyme linked immunosorbent assay techniques. Then also we will involve into the some biochemistry aspect, a similar assay can be carried out with HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin. Catalysis is used from the to label the HCG and oxygen evaluation the noted by oxygen electrodes. In attempts to construct the enzyme immunosensors like bioluminescence and chemiluminescence and fluorescence and principles are exploited because of their great sensitivity. A luminescent immunoassay with catalysis has been used to detect the human serum albumin at only 1 nanogram. The enzyme based on biosensor are used in the different analyzers for quantification of glucose. The PO electrode is urea, creatinine, whereas enzyme is immobilized on the sensors. The affinity sensors have immobilized molecules with the specific high affinity binding the properties binding proteins proteins, antibodies and aptamers like DNA sensors. So some of the oxygen electrodes and the oxygen electrodes react with the anodes these things, overall electrochemical. So like that we will be talking about the biosensors, some concept will be biosensors. Biocatalyst converts to the substrate and these reactions determine the transducer which converts the electrical signals. The output is transducer amplify the process and displayed. So does the some detections like photometry, electrochemical, chemical ion channels. These are the others physioelectrical and thermometric. These are the biosensors to